Greetings students. In this module, we will discuss few more NCERT exercise numericals. So, we will start with the first one. So, first is read the statement carefully. So, what is written here? A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. So, again we will divide the numerical statement into two parts. What is given, what we have to find out. Given and what we have to find. Fine. So from the first line, a copper wire has a diameter of, so diameter is given 0.5 millimeter. So diameter is given 0.5 millimeter. So first convert it into meter. 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Next is, and a resistivity of 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm centimeter. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm centimeter. It is given in centimeter, so first we have to convert that into meter. So it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. So this is given in the second line. How much of this wire would be required? So what we have to find out, कितनी लेंथ चाहिए हमको वायर की to make a 10 ohm coil. Resistance is given 10 ohm. And how much does the resistance change if the diameter is double? कि diameter को अगर हम double कर देंगे तो resistance के अंदर कितना change आएगा? So this is what all given in this statement and what we have to find out. So we will follow the simple rule or simple formula. R is equal to rho L by A. So L we have to calculate, rho it is given in this statement, resistance is given in this statement, but area is not given in the statement. So one of the simple way to calculate the area is pi r square. Diameter को half कर दो, because radius is equal to diameter by 2. Either you can directly solve by this formula, or you can put the value of d by 2 here. So A is equal to pi d by 2 whole square. So A is equal to pi d square by 4. Both are same methods. Either directly you can calculate the R, which is equal to P by 2, then put the value. I am doing the calculation at one place, not at the two place. So by this formula we will rearrange the formula. R into A divided by rho is equal to L. By this formula I calculated the formula for length of conductor. So L is equal to R. In place of A, I am writing pi d square by 4 and divided by rho. So L is equal to 1 by 4, 4 को मैं आगे ले आया, R pi d square by 4. Now put the value of each and every parameter. What is the value of R? 10. What is the value of pi? 3.14. What is the value of d? 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 whole square divided by 4 into, this is not the 4, this is the rho, sorry for that. So 4 into rho is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. So these are the parameter after putting the value. So after solving this, you will get 122.7 meter. Means L is equal to 122.7 meter. So this is the solution of first part. How much length of wire would be required to make a 10 ohm coil? तो इतने लंबी वायर लेंगे तब जाके उसकी रेजिस्टेंस कितनी होगी? 10 ohm. Now we will move to the second part. How much does the resistance change if diameter is doubled? कि कितनी रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू चेंज होगी अगर हम डायमीटर को क्या कर देते हैं, डबल कर देते हैं. नाउ आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. Now the new condition is now diameter is double, which is 2d. So we will not solve the exact value because they are just asking how much does the resistance change if the diameter is double. They are not asking the exact value. So we will calculate how much fraction the value will change. So I will again use the same formula. R is equal to rho L by A. In place of A, what we can write? Pi d square by 4. So we have already calculated R is equal to rho L by pi d square by 4. ये कहाँ आ जाएगा? ऊपर आ जाएगा. तो R is equal to 4 resistivity length pi d square. So now it is fixed, length is fixed, pi value is fixed, 4 is fixed. So by this we can conclude R is inversely proportional to d square. If they ask you calculate the exact value, then you have to calculate the exact value. In this they only ask how much does the resistance change. So R is inversely proportional to 1 by d square. Now what is the new value? R is inversely proportional to 2d square. The diameter जो है वो क्या हो गया? डबल हो गया. पहले d था, अब कितना हो गया? 2d. So after solving this, you will get 1 by 4 d square. So resistance value will be decreased by 1/4. Means resistance जो आएगी वो कितनी हो जाएगी? 1/4. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. कि first we calculated the length that is required to make 10 ohm coil. Next we calculated the effect of change in the thickness of wire. Means diameter is double, wire जो है उसकी thickness क्या हो जाएगी? It will be increased. So that's how you can solve the first numerical. Now we will solve the second and third one. So again read the statement. What is given in this statement? When a 12 volt battery, so battery is providing potential difference 12 volt connected across an unknown resistance. Resistance की value नहीं पता. There is a current of 2.5 milliampere. I is equal to 2.5 milliampere. So 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere in the circuit. Find the value of resistance. So this is the simplest numerical of Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R, and V is 12, and we have to calculate the value of resistance. So I just use the formula. So V is equal to IR, and we have to calculate the value of resistance. So resistance is equal to V by I. So resistance is equal to V is given 12 volt, I 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. So after going up to this point, you will get the value 4800 ohm. Either write like this, or you can also write 4.8 kilo ohm. So it's your choice. Both the answers are correct. Means this is the simple numerical of Ohm's law. V is given, I is given, we have to calculate the value of R. So that's how we can solve this numerical. This is the easier one. Next is third question. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series. So V is given 9 volt connected in series with resistors of R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. So 5 resistors are given: 0.2, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm, and 12 ohm. And the most important thing is connected in series. So how much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistors? कि वो क्या बोल रहा है कि ये सारे के सारे क्या हैं? 5 resistors are there. They are connected to a 5 volt source. They are all connected in series. In series, the value of current remains same. So first calculate the current flowing through the circuit. एंड उतना ही करंट जितना फर्स्ट में से फ्लो करेगा उतना ही 12 ओम वाले R5 में से फ्लो करेगा. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ total resistance, and all the resistance are connected in series, so it will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5 according to the law of combination of resistors. So after adding this you will get 13.4 ohm. Next what we have to calculate, how much current would flow. So we have to calculate. So by simply applying the Ohm's law, V is given 9, I we have to calculate 13.4 ohm. So I is equal to 9 divided by 13.4 ohm, and it will be 0.67 ampere. The answer does not finish here. So be careful. After solving up to this point, you have to write a line or statement, because all of them are connected in series. So according to the rule of combination of resistors in series, when current flowing through the series, each of the resistance will have same amount of current. की करंट की वैल्यू रजिस्टर में चेंज नहीं होती है. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि चाहे फर्स्ट हो, सेकंड हो, थर्ड हो, फोर्थ हो, फिफ्थ हो, all will have same value of current, and they are asking in 12 ohm resistor. So according to the law of combination in series, the value of current will remain same throughout the circuit in all the resistors which are connected in series. So therefore it will be 0.67 ampere. So that's how we can solve this numerical. So thank you students.